Hello everyone, welcome to another video of the Path of Artist. Today I'm gonna show you my way of shading to make portrait realistic. The first what I want talking about is object and background. On the portrait photo we can see that object is in focus, particularly eyes, and background is in unfocus. Eyes help to convey emotions of portrait. Let's try this effect on the paper. I show you my technique of shading. For drawing object I use many layers cross shading. It helps to achieve detalization and right texture of object. We should pay more attention to details, and our portrait will look more realistic. And for background, I use featuring and eraser. Look at this. And also, the more saturated our work, the more realistic it looks. So, use many layers shading. For it you need soft pencils, and for dark area even black or charcoal pencil. Also you need thick paper to do many layers of shading. If you are a beginner, I advise you to find high quality photo and draw it on big formats of paper. Try to draw more details and don't afraid to contrast shading. More practice, patience, great efforts, and you will get amazing results. Thank you for watching. I hope this video have been useful for you. In the next video I will show how I draw realistic eyes.